These look the same. Aboard, on board, but they don't work the same way. Welcome aboard. That sounds natural. There's a doctor on board. Also correct. So what's the difference? Aboard is one word, a bit more formal. You'll hear it when people enter. Passengers are now boarding. Welcome aboard. It often feels like movement, getting onto something. But on board, that's more common, more flexible. It focuses on being inside. Already there. There are 200 passengers on board. There's food on board. Now watch this. There's a doctor aboard. Sounds off. There's a doctor on board. Natural. That's the difference. Aboard, entry or formal use. On board, presence inside. Same place, different usage. Use the wrong one, and it sounds strange.